ProPak China 2024, guys. Follow my camera and we are going to check them one by one. And this one is from Scotland. ProPak. The boost number is C05. Okay, the whole number is 5.1. Remember it, okay? And let's check their machine. This machine is working now. Oh, packing. It's great. It's packing automatically. You can see them. It's very interesting, everyone. You will like it. So this machine is working. Turning around and working here. Guys, this is the second day of showing. And it seems there are a lot of people right now. It's great to check it out. Let's go and check this one. Machines. Guys are pretty busy. Business as well. Look at these machines. If you are not a layman, you are a professional one, you can see it, you can understand it. The machines, you can see. I'm an outsider, so I don't know anything about this industry. It's absolutely great. Yava, Y-A-V-A. Boost number is F10. And let's go and check this machine. This machine is working excellently. Amazing. I'm going to focus more on the exhibits, and you can see them here. This machine is huge. What are they doing? Guys, look at this. Intelligent. It's pretty nice. This guy said it's forbidden to make a video, so just leave it. A system of machine. Yeah, that one is Ishida. Ishida. Is that from Japan? A little bit like Japanese. Yamada, Shanghai. The boost number is D30. Guys, check the machines. It's working now. If you are a professional, I know, you know what is going on here, for sure. What is this? My God. Check that one. It's working now. Absolutely beautiful. The machine's working very hard. Anritas, ANRITSU, 安利中国。This one is METTLER. It's a famous one from overseas. I think the booth is big. Woof. It's a famous one, woof. I know this one. I saw it years ago when this show was in Pudong. It's here this year. That's amazing. Fuji package. Fuji machines from Japan, I think. LAPP, that one is. LAPP. This one is Italian pavilion. It's quite simple. Okura. OKURA. This one is from Italy. OCME. Cool, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I just walk along the aisle. I can see the chief exhibitors. Not everyone can be covered. I'm a volunteer, you know, I don't have too much time to cover everyone. If you guys are here, just give me a like. I don't get any bonus by doing this, but I keep on doing this. Your encouragement is a bonus for me here. Hopefully you guys can give me a like. 远安，上海远安。Guys, this is amazing, guys. This machine. Jack Kim. It's a nice name, Jack Kim. From Guangdong. The machines. What's this? That equipment is huge. Looks like two pipes. They look like two pipes. Let's go and have a further check. Like a tunnel. Great. Here we go. You're working. Okay guys, we are coming to the end of this haul. Hope you guys like my video. I will see you guys later. Bye bye everyone. See you, more videos are coming. Just subscribe to my channel, okay? Bye bye everyone. See you later.